What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. I'm going to say it. Crypto absolutely sucks right now. And not just right now. For the past however many months, it hasn't really looked good. We've seen various cryptocurrencies, whether they're top cryptocurrencies or even mid-level or meme coins, collapse. Haven't been worth anything, basically. But I'll say this. I've said this plenty of times that patience will be rewarded. Whether you're holding XRP, Bitcoin, Buttercoin, or whatever the next meme coin is, patience will be rewarded within this market. Every market has its time, within cycles. Not necessarily just like Bitcoin cycle or anything like that, but you're going to see crypto cycle come back up. Now, what sucks is the fact that we saw Bitcoin run by so much. We saw Ethereum, we saw XRP make some moves. We haven't seen majorly newer highs that are being created. Yes, we've seen things that have reached $100 billion market cap actually get to a $200 billion market cap, and others that have gotten to maybe a $25 billion market cap get to a $50 billion market cap, and then some that are even lower get millions of dollars, doubling or tripling at those levels. But when it comes to people comparing things, everybody looks at whatever is increasing or whatever is running, and they will tell you that's the market to get into. However, you should already be diversed into all of these markets. You should be investing into places and diversing your money into stocks, into crypto, into gold and silver, into many other places that you feel as though we're going to be on different cycles than each other. So, with that being said, I want to talk about the crypto market and the fact that it sucks, compare it to what's happening in the market, the gains that we've seen, but also have caveats, kind of on top of that and things that you need to focus on top of that. If you guys could, make sure to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, if you want to check out my link for FortisX, please do so. FortisX is a great platform that allows you to keep your holdings working for you. You can earn up to 19.23% variable APY with things like XRP, Ethereum, USDT, and others. There's no lockup, so if you were looking at a platform like a major exchange that will give you a 28-day or 30-day lockup period, you don't have that with FortisX. You can withdraw anytime that you want to, and you can invest your money into these liquidity pools, or what they have known as managed staking. So if you guys want to check it out, go ahead and click the link down below. I will have a link for FortisX in the description as well as in the comment section. Also, if you guys want to check out my link for BTCC, feel free to do so. That is a great platform that I've been using for over 2 years. And if you use that platform, or if you deposit whatever money you have, you get a 10% deposit bonus, extra bonus, all the way up to $10,055, earn up to 40% lower trading fees, and you could trade up to a 250x leverage. So whether you want to trade for the long term and hold for the long term, or you want to trade shorter term, 250x leverage, 10x leverage, 5x leverage, make some money in the process, feel free to check out those links in the description. And this is all with no VPN, no KYC that is required. Now, XRP, let's start there, right? XRP stands at a value of $1. It's my most traded position or most valuable position that I own. But right now, the 200,000 that I have is worth $200,000 because it is at $1. If we look at the last year, it is down by 69%, 69.11% from a $3.13 level to where it is right now at $1 singular dollar. Now, I said in a recent video that this would get worse before it gets better. Like, I didn't believe that we would see a $2 price point right away. We might see a $1 price point. We might see it even break below $1 before it does end up getting better. That's why patience will be rewarded. If you have the opportunity to now buy in or buy more or average in or whatever the case may be, this would be the time, right? It's lower than my cost basis, lower than some others. A lot of others have bought at a higher rate than that. But it still is reasonable, even if you bought at 150, to look for a lot more growth in the future, right? Patience, it's all about patience. You see bad times in the market, you see great times in the market, right? That's how it will go. We're seeing a $63 billion market cap with $1.1 billion worth volume, almost 550,000 holders. with 62.67 billion coins in circulation. Now, that's just XRP. We look at the entire market, slightly up on the day, but Bitcoin's sitting at 63, which doesn't sound like a little bit of money. If you were removed from the crypto market and then came back today, you'd be like, oh, 63,000, that's amazing. You would look at Ethereum, you'd be like 1,800, that's still good, right? XRP at $1, that's double the price of what it was when you were there, right? Solana at 75 cents, right? Or $75. There's a lot of opportunity and a lot of things that are at higher prices, but then there's some that are at even lower prices, right? SUI, we're not seeing that low level, and that looks like a steal of a price. Litecoin, at those levels, right, it looks like a steal. Avalanche, again, $6.37. And the show goes on and on and on, right? Understand that with all of what we have here, whether it's a watch list of what we're looking at or looking at overall cryptocurrencies, there will be negativity and there will be positivity. If you can wait out the negativity and see the positivity and invest during the negative times, sell some during the great times, you are making money short term. Long term though, 5, 10, 20 years, it all looks like you are a genius because you invested and you held, which is hard for a lot of people to do. Because you look at things that are happening in current markets, like, the SPY, and you say, okay, this is at $772, and it's up by 12 or 13% over the year to date, which sounds amazing when you look at the stock market. However, you look at crypto and you add and say 13%, it's up 13%. Are you excited about it? Probably not. You're looking for 113%. You're looking for 1,013%. That's the difference in a speculative market versus something that is consistent. So when you have that consistency, people are like, invest your money into that consistency. I think you should definitely diversify your funds. It doesn't have to be primarily in crypto. It doesn't have to be primarily in the stock market or in gold, silver, platinum, whatever it is. But you should invest into various markets. Stock market looks good right now, and not to say that it won't increase at an average of 10%. But it may look good right now, but then you end up missing out on the largest opportunity, which could be crypto. The gold and silver may be looking good right now, but you miss out on the larger opportunity of what crypto is because this is the downtime to invest. So stocks, crypto, commodities, whatever the case may be, real estate, you may find a play that's running, but it doesn't mean that it will run forever. And I think what you need to focus on is having money in all areas. But especially the ones that look like they're at low levels. They're at a decreased level. They're at a bottom point. That's when you want to invest and buy when the market is fearful. You don't want to buy when the market is looking up, looking amazing. So anyways, just wanted to talk about that because there's a lot of people that are messaging and saying, hey, look, I don't know if I could do this crypto thing anymore. It's decreasing and I wanted to get my money now. If you needed quick money, then maybe a long-term play wasn't the right move. Maybe a short-term leverage trade, maybe a short-term short of that position might have been the way to go. But that's all dependent on what your time threshold is. Does that make sense? So anyways, just wanted to talk about that. Hopefully this video makes sense. Hopefully it gets to the right people. If you could hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also check out my link for FortisX as well as my link for BTCC down below if you guys are interested in those platforms. But I'm going to get out of here, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.